Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you a delicious dish, sweet and sour cabbage. There are actually some tricks to making it, so let's see how it's done. To make sweet and sour cabbage taste great, you must choose the kind with slightly green leaves. This type of Chinese cabbage has an especially good texture. We break off the cabbage leaves one by one. Be sure not to cut the base of the cabbage, otherwise the leftovers will be hard to store. Next, we wash each cabbage leaf thoroughly. Although Chinese cabbage looks clean, there is actually a lot of dust and impurities on the surface. After washing, drain the water from the cabbage. Now let's prepare the cabbage by cutting off the stems from the leaves. Because the stems are thicker and the leaves are more tender, if you stir-fry them together, the stems won't be cooked yet while the leaves will already be overcooked. Then slice the cabbage stems diagonally. This way, the stems will absorb more flavor when stir-fried. After slicing, place them in a bowl. Add a spoonful of salt and mix well by hand. The salt will draw out the moisture from the cabbage stems, so they won't release water during stir-frying and will have a crisper texture. Set aside to marinate for 5 minutes. Next, tear the cabbage leaves into pieces by hand. Hand-torn cabbage has irregular edges, which helps it absorb more flavor and taste better. Then, prepare 2 fresh shiitake mushrooms and slice them. Adding shiitake mushrooms will make the dish even more delicious. After slicing, place them on a plate, and slice a few cloves of garlic as well. Cut a few green onions into sections. Prepare an appropriate amount of dried chili peppers and cut them into segments. Next, let's make the sauce. Add 1 spoonful of light soy sauce and 1 spoonful of aromatic vinegar to a bowl. Add a small spoonful of salt, a small spoonful of chicken bouillon, and a small spoonful of sugar. Add a little 5-spice powder and 1 spoonful of cornstarch. Use a spoon to mix everything thoroughly. Once well mixed, set it aside for later use. Next, add an appropriate amount of pork lard to the pan and melt it. Stir-frying Chinese cabbage with pork lard makes it taste even better. Then add the scallions, garlic, and dried chili peppers, and stir-fry until fragrant. Next, add the shiitake mushrooms, and stir-fry them until they release their aroma and are cooked through. Once the shiitake mushrooms have softened, add the cabbage stems and stir-fry over high heat. This way, the cabbage won't release too much water. Stir-fry for about 30 seconds, just until the cabbage stems are cooked but still crisp. Then add the cabbage leaves and continue stir-frying until the leaves are softened. Once the cabbage leaves are soft, pour in the prepared sauce. Stir everything evenly to bring out the aroma of the seasonings and let the sauce coat all the ingredients, making the dish more flavorful and delicious. Finally, add a little bit of bright oil to enhance the shine of the dish. Alright, it's done. Transfer it to a plate. This homemade stir-fried vinegar cabbage tastes even better than what you get at restaurants. It's fresh, flavorful, tangy, and appetizing. Perfect with both rice and drinks. If you enjoyed my video, remember to like, comment, and share it. Thank you for your support.